Today, we're diving into a comprehensive comparison between the brand new JBL Charge 6 and the Bose SoundLink Max. The JBL Charge 6 brings balanced audio, extreme durability, and the ability to charge your devices on the go. On the other hand, the Bose SoundLink Max offers a larger, more premium design with powerful sound and an equally rugged build. But the big question is, which one is best for your needs and style? Well, let's dive into a detailed comparison of these two Bluetooth speakers and see which one is the right choice for you. And if you find this video helpful, please help out the channel by giving it a like and subscribing. Starting off with the design and durability, both speakers take ruggedness seriously, but they go about it differently. The JBL Charge 6 is a compact, cylindrical speaker wrapped in 100% recycled fabric with 85% recycled plastic, making it an environmentally friendly option. With an IP68 rating, it's waterproof, dustproof, and can survive drops from a meter onto concrete. It also features a convenient strap, though its attachment may seem flimsy at first glance. On the other hand, the Bose SoundLink Max is larger and heavier, featuring an aluminum and silicone design that gives it a premium and sturdy feel. It has an IP67 rating, making it highly resistant to dust and water, but slightly less durable than the Charge 6 in extreme conditions. The Bose also includes a detachable rope handle with an optional shoulder strap for added convenience. If you prioritize portability, the Charge 6 is the lighter, more compact choice. But if you want a speaker that feels ultra-premium and sturdy with a stylish, customizable handle, the SoundLink Max is the way to go. Now let's talk about audio performance, because that's where things get interesting. The JBL Charge 6 has a well-balanced sound profile with improved mids and highs compared to its predecessors, thanks to JBL's AI Boost technology. While it still delivers punchy bass, it avoids overpowering the mids and treble, creating a generous soundstage. But at high volumes, there can be slight distortion, especially on certain high frequencies. On the other hand, the Bose SoundLink Max is all about power. Its dual 89mm transducers, a 23mm tweeter, and two large passive radiators deliver a massive room-filling sound. It handles low-end frequencies with precision, preventing bass from bleeding into the mids. But its stereo separation is minimal, and it could retrieve more detail in complex tracks. If you want a speaker with a more natural and balanced sound, the JBL Charge 6 wins. But if you're after sheer power and volume, the SoundLink Max dominates. Battery life and charging are crucial factors when picking a portable speaker. The JBL Charge 6 boasts an impressive 24-hour battery life, which extends to 28 hours with Playtime Boost. It also supports fast charging, getting you 150 minutes of playback from just 10 minutes of charging. Plus, it can charge your phone or tablet with its built-in power bank feature. On the other hand, the Bose SoundLink Max offers a solid 20-hour battery life, but it takes a sluggish 5 hours to fully charge. Like the JBL, it can also charge other devices via USB-C, but it lacks fast charging. If you want the longest-lasting battery with quick top-ups, the Charge 6 is the better pick. Moving on to connectivity and features, JBL's Charge 6 shines with Auracast, allowing it to broadcast audio to unlimited compatible devices. It also supports the Party Together feature, letting you pair it with another Charge 6 for stereo sound. On the other hand, the Bose SoundLink Max uses Bluetooth 5.3 with SBC AAC and aptX adaptive codec support, ensuring high-quality audio streaming. It also features Simple Sync, which allows it to pair with other Bose speakers and soundbars for multi-room audio. Additionally, it has a 3.5mm input, something the JBL lacks. If multi-device streaming is important to you, the JBL Charge 6's Auracast is unmatched. But if you want high-quality Bluetooth audio and compatibility with other Bose speakers, the SoundLink Max is the better choice. As for my final verdict, if you need an affordable, durable, and feature-packed speaker with long battery life and balanced sound, the JBL Charge 6 is the way to go. It's perfect for outdoor adventures, casual listening, and anyone looking for great value. But if you prioritize powerful audio, premium materials, and don't mind the higher price tag, the Bose SoundLink Max is an excellent choice for those who want a big, bold sound with a sleek design. Either way, both speakers are fantastic in their own right, so choose the one that fits your lifestyle best. Let me know in the comments which one you'd pick. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more tech comparisons. And I'll see you in the next one.